What are you doing?
I'm reading a book.
Where are you going?
I'm heading to the grocery store.
Why are you laughing?
I'm laughing because of something funny I heard.
When are you leaving for vacation?
I'm leaving for vacation next week.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling tired after a long day at work.
What are you cooking for dinner?
I'm making spaghetti for dinner.
Who are you calling?
I'm calling my mom to check in on her.
Are you studying for the exam?
Yes, I'm studying for the exam tomorrow.
What are you wearing to the party?
I'm wearing a black dress to the party.
How long are you staying here?
I'm staying here for a couple of hours.
What are you watching on TV?
I'm watching a documentary about wildlife.
Who are you meeting for lunch?
I'm meeting my friend for lunch at the cafe.
Are you participating in the marathon?
Yes, I'm participating in the marathon this weekend.
Why are you avoiding me?
I'm not avoiding you. I've just been busy lately.
How fast are you driving?
I'm driving within the speed limit.
What are you writing?
I'm writing a letter to my pen pal.
Where are you volunteering?
I'm volunteering at the local animal shelter.
Are you enjoying the concert?
Yes, I'm enjoying the concert a lot.
What are you learning in class?
I'm learning about World War II in history class.
How much are you paying for rent?
I'm paying $1,000 a month for rent.
Who are you texting?
I'm texting my sister to see how she's doing.
Are you exercising regularly?
Yes, I'm exercising regularly to stay healthy.
What are you researching?
I'm researching renewable energy sources.
Where are you going for vacation?
I'm going to Hawaii for vacation.
How are you managing stress?
I'm managing stress by practicing yoga.
Are you applying for jobs?
Yes, I'm applying for jobs in my field.
What are you baking?
I'm baking cookies for the bake sale.
How much are you earning per hour?
I'm earning $15 per hour at my job.
Who are you inviting to the party?
I'm inviting my close friends to the party.
What are you dreaming about?
I'm dreaming about traveling the world.
Are you practicing your presentation?
Yes, I'm practicing my presentation for tomorrow.
Why are you hesitating?
I'm hesitating because I'm not sure what to do.
Where are you volunteering?
I'm volunteering at the homeless shelter downtown.
How are you saving money?
I'm saving money by cooking at home instead of eating out.
What are you planning for the weekend?
I'm planning to go hiking with friends.
Who are you mentoring?
I'm mentoring a high school student interested in engineering.
Are you following a strict diet?
No, I'm not following a strict diet, but I try to eat healthy.
What are you exploring?
I'm exploring new hiking trails in the area.
How are you balancing work and personal life?
I'm balancing work and personal life by setting boundaries.
Why are you procrastinating?
I'm procrastinating because I find the task overwhelming.
Where are you investing your money?
I'm investing my money in stocks and mutual funds.
How are you decorating your room?
I'm decorating my room with minimalist style furniture.
Who are you mentoring?
I'm mentoring a junior colleague at work.
Are you organizing your workspace?
Yes, I'm organizing my workspace to increase productivity.
What are you recommending?
I'm recommending a good book one recently read.
How are you managing your time?
I'm managing my time by using a planner and setting priorities.
Why are you changing your major?
I'm changing my major to pursue my passion.
Where are you traveling next?
I'm traveling to Italy next summer.
What are you reading lately?
I'm reading a mystery novel by my favorite author.
How are you contributing to the community?
I'm volunteering at the local food bank to help those in need.
Who are you supporting in the election?
I'm supporting the candidate who aligns with my values.
Are you learning a new language?
Yes, I'm learning Spanish in my spare time.
What are you researching for your thesis?
I'm researching climate change for my thesis.
How are you simplifying your life?
I'm simplifying my life by decluttering and embracing minimalism.
Why are you reconsidering your career path?
I'm reconsidering my career path because I want more fulfillment.
Where are you interning this summer?
I'm interning at a local marketing agency.
What are you craving right now?
I'm craving pizza for dinner tonight.
How are you overcoming challenges?
I'm overcoming challenges by staying resilient and seeking support.
Who are you collaborating with on the project?
I'm collaborating with my classmates on the group project.
Are you attending the conference next month?
Yes, I'm attending the conference to learn about new trends.
What are you inventing?
I'm inventing a device to help people with disabilities.
How are you celebrating your birthday?
I'm celebrating my birthday with a small gathering of friends.
Why are you delaying your decision?
I'm delaying my decision because I need more information.
Where are you volunteering your time?
I'm volunteering my time at the local soup kitchen.
What are you demonstrating against?
I'm demonstrating against inequality and injustice.
How are you contributing to sustainability efforts?
I'm contributing to sustainability efforts by reducing my carbon footprint.
Why are you renovating your house?
I'm renovating my house to increase its resale value.
Where are you donating money?
I'm donating money to support disaster relief efforts.
What are you revising for the exam?
I'm revising key concepts for the upcoming exam.
How are you adapting to change?
I'm adapting to change by staying flexible and open-minded.
Who are you collaborating with on the project?
I'm collaborating with colleagues from different departments.
Are you attending the workshop tomorrow?
Yes, I'm attending the workshop to enhance my skills.
What are you visualizing?
I'm visualizing success in my future endeavors.
How are you contributing to environmental conservation?
I'm contributing by reducing waste and recycling.
Why are you avoiding certain people?
I'm avoiding certain people because of past conflicts.
Where are you contributing your expertise?
I'm contributing my expertise to a nonprofit organization.
What are you recycling?
I'm recycling paper, plastic, and glass.
How are you practicing self-care?
I'm practicing self-care by meditating and exercising regularly.
Why are you donating blood?
I'm donating blood to help save lives.
Where are you volunteering your skills?
I'm volunteering my skills at a local community center.
What are you testing?
I'm testing a new software program for bugs.
How are you improving your public speaking skills?
I'm improving by attending Toastmasters meetings regularly.
Why are you switching to a plant-based diet?
I'm switching for health and environmental reasons.
Where are you contributing your time?
I'm contributing my time to mentor underprivileged youth.
What are you rehearsing?
I'm rehearsing for the school play.
How are you addressing mental health issues?
I'm addressing by seeking therapy and practicing mindfulness.
Why are you exploring new career options?
I'm exploring to find a better fit for my skills and interests.
Where are you donating clothes?
I'm donating clothes to a local homeless shelter.
What are you updating?
I'm updating my resume and LinkedIn profile.
How are you reducing stress?
I'm reducing by practicing yoga and spending time in nature.
Why are you simplifying your wardrobe?
I'm simplifying to have fewer choices and less clutter.
Where are you volunteering your talents?
I'm volunteering my talents at a community arts center.
What are you visualizing for the future?
I'm visualizing success and happiness in my future.
How are you enhancing your creativity?
I'm enhancing by taking art classes and trying new hobbies.
Why are you disconnecting from social media?
I'm disconnecting to focus on real-life connections and activities.
Where are you investing your time and energy?
I'm investing in personal development and meaningful relationships.
What are you innovating in your field?
I'm innovating by developing new technologies.
How are you fostering a positive mindset?
I'm fostering by practicing gratitude and positive affirmations.
Why are you seeking new experiences?
I'm seeking to broaden my horizons and learn new things.
Where are you channeling your passions?
I'm channeling into creative projects and volunteer work.